Hi everyone, Ant and Dex Love Child back. Nah man, only joking. It's your favourite northeasterner. As you know, it was the new talent at the weekend. It was a great day, really enjoyed it. The lads turned out some lovely trees, Mark and David from Beechfield Bonsai Society. I'd just like to say thank you to my brother from another mother, Scott. He always supports us and I really appreciate it. Love you mate. He's always there. We usually have Peter, but he was booked in elsewhere, so that's why Peter didn't make it. But hopefully he'll make it to Lithuania. My biggest shout out goes to Mark Akins from Beechfield Bonsai. We stopped down the night before at Mark Akins. He come over to see us, who supplied all the tools and the table. I've always wanted one of them tables because it's one of them angly things when you're doing your trees, which he has the pattern for. He is powder coating that black underneath the silver plate, but he has these for sale. The Mojo is his own brand. He bought it from Tony Tickle, so that's his own brand. I knew he had a table for us, but he brought all this gear, which I really appreciated because I could do with some new shit, like I could do with some new tools. We had a good night, went out for a meal. Here's a little photo there. He's a genuine lad, and when he says he's going to do something like the table, he just goes beyond and gives you whatever he can. So definitely go and see him and get some of these towels. I don't find any quality difference from them Ryoga or Ryogi, whatever you call the puppets, but in fact I think they're better. They're a lot thicker and they're nice to use. I used them in the new talent, so the new set made us win. But cheers Mark, it was like Christmas. No, but he's a genuine bloke, Mark. If he sees somebody, he does it, because he's always said about that. But this was a lovely surprise. Cheers brother. My little box for winning the new talent. I didn't think I needed a jewellery box or keep your drugs in or your medication or something. Nah, I'm only joking. It's a nice lovely box. It's keepable, memorable, isn't it? It'll go on the shelf with the rest of the trophies, but it was a great day. Well done to the Twickenham boys again. You turned out some nice trees. I'll show you the Shiloh Pite I won with. I didn't think I was going to win at one point, but it's been knocked all out because it's had a long journey. But that's what it was, about there and about there. I took the moss, and once the lad seen us putting the moss on the wall outside, pinching it off the patio from in the botanical gardens, it was quite funny. Great day, really enjoyed it. So after that we drove over to Beechfield just to have a look at Mark's nursery and just to say thank you again. Honestly, I didn't think it was that big. You go in, you have a look, then there's a hedge with more trees, a hedge with more trees. It's massive, and he's expanding to the pond soon, so it's only going to get bigger. But for the tool wise, I would definitely go over, get some tools, have a look at these trees, and maybe buy a tree and come away with a nice tree. While we were there, it says just pick a juniper and take a juniper. So he also gave us this juniper. So I'm going to style this in the next coming video, because this is just to say a thank you video to everyone that's congratulated us, and I really appreciate it. So we'll get this in the next video, this tree. We'll let it grow, turn it into a nice tree. So I'll do some work on it, see if we can make a nice tree, and we'll give it back to Mark. But that's it for this little rant on this video. I'm back now, back's fixed, time to get some shit done. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!